11 drums, 11 tom-toms, all the same size, different materials. First one was our Gretsch, the Blue Sparkle Gretsch from the 50s. It has the old stick chopper hoops on it, maple, poplar, maple. Check it out. Sounds good. This is no EQ. Not bad. Next in line is our Yamaha Recording Custom. And so now we'll listen to this one and kind of compare those two, see what we have. This is Birch. Definitely sounds
a little brighter.
Yeah, it's got a little more attack. And mid-range. The decay is about the same. Pretty cool. What's next, Lucian?
The Vista Light.
Ah, good old Ludwig Vista Lights. The clear drum. You know, it doesn't sound like you would think. It sounds a little different in the room than it does in here. More of that high mid attack, a little less low end. Cool tone. But really, you know, this is for you guys to just kind of be familiar with how this changes. It's slight, especially with the note being the same like this. All right, Lucian, next in line.
We have the Donette, the titanium.
Ah, interesting. Titanium. Wow, you can hear it.